Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to link your Chase Bank to Cashapp. Make sure to watch this video till the end to know how you can successfully link your Chase Bank to Cashapp. So first of all, just open your Cashapp account on your smartphone, and here you will see this profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen. Just click on it, and after that just scroll down a bit until you see this option called linked banks. Just press on linked banks, and after that just click on link debit card, and here you have to select no card. Just press continue, and here you will see the list of institute or bank accounts that you can link to your Cashapp. Since we want to link our Chase Bank to Cashapp, we just have to select the Chase Bank. You can see on my screen Chase Bank is at the top, and if you don't find your Chase Bank, you can simply go to the search bar and manually search for your Chase Bank to link it to your Cashapp. I'm gonna select Chase here, and here I have to log in at my Chase Bank account, and to continue login I have to click on continue to login. And here, as you can see, that it just redirected me to this page where I have to mention my username and password to log in to my Chase account. And once you enter all your details, your Chase Bank will be successfully linked to your Cashapp. And this is how simple it is to link your Chase Bank to Cashapp.
If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it,
and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.
and I'll see you the next time.